Open your computer settings app. In settings, select privacy and security. Here, click on general. Under general, here you will find these options. So let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. So must turn off this option. You can also disable all of these options. And then go to system and select notifications. Scroll down, click on additional settings. In here, uncheck all of these options. And then go to personalization. Scroll down, click on device usage. In here, disable all of these options. And after doing this, now on, you won't receive any annoying ads on your computer.